kid-friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Kid Friendly TV and today we're playing with Lego Duplo Spiderman Web Bike Workshop. This Lego Duplo set looks like a lot of fun and it looks like we can do a lot with it. This playset is for Spider-Man to work on his bike. Let's go ahead and open the box up and see what all it comes with. Wow, there's Spider-Man's bike. That is so cool. Awesome, look at Spider-Man's bike. There's Spider-Man. That is so cool. Look at Spider-Man. This Lego Duplo set comes with a gas can. It also comes with a red Duplo block that has a spider on it. And we also get this super cool Spider-Man block. And we get a motor for Spider-Man's bike. This is really cool. Now Spider-Man can work on his bike. It's really cool that Spider-Man's bike can sit up here so he can work on it. It's really neat. I need a new motor. It's really awesome that the wrench can fit into Spider-Man's hand. Cool. Now he can work on his bike. Let's see if Spider-Man can hold the gas can. Awesome, he can. That's really cool. Now he can fill up the bike with some gas. Alright, Spider-Man has his bike working and it's running good. Let's put Spider-Man on his bike and see what he looks like. Cool, he fits right on the bike. That's really neat. He looks super cool. Whoa! Spider-Man can even do a wheelie on his bike. We can build the playset like this too. And now Spider-Man's bike can fit underneath here. Now Spider-Man can jump onto his bike and go. This building block set from Lego Duplo Spiderman Web Bike Workshop is really cool, and I've had a lot of fun playing with it with you guys. It's fun to build it in a lot of different ways, and it's cool that you get Spider-Man and his bike. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to Kid Friendly TV for more daily fun toy videos. Let's see if the babies like Elmo.
Hey babies! It's Elmo! Hey baby! Oh, you knocked that over baby over! Give Elmo a kiss. Oh, don't bite me!